Okay, so what do you do when you have a bird that comes from the chimney into your house? All right, Tweety, you gotta come on out. Come on, honey. Over here.
Let's go this way.
Come on. You got a chimney into your house. All right, Tweety, you gotta come on out. Come on, honey. Over here.
Let's go this way.
Come on. You got a chimney and you got a bird in your house. This is what happens.
Oh.
It's okay. You almost had it, honey. You almost had it. He was.
Oh, it's right there.
There it is.
Just laying on the ground.
Lord have mercy.
There we go. There we go.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
You can leave.
See you, homie. And there he is. He's still right there.
You can't believe it.
Unbelievable. There he is, y'all. That's my guy right there. All right, now he good. Now we get the door. Oh, child, now I can go home. Praise God.